I wanted to learn English, but after watching hundreds of YouTube videos, I became even more confused. Every time I wanted to speak, I translated every sentence inside my head. And because of that, I made so many mistakes. Slowly, I started believing English is too difficult. Maybe I'll never become fluent. But then I asked myself, if I keep being afraid, how will I ever improve? So I started practicing every single day. Yes, I made mistakes. A lot of mistakes. But instead of giving up, I worked on my weaknesses. Today, I'm not fluent yet, but I'm much better than I was yesterday. And I know one day I'll speak English confidently. So don't be afraid of making mistakes. Work on your weaknesses. Keep practicing. One day, you'll get there too. Now it's your turn. Have you ever felt confused while learning English? Share your experience in the comments and tell me, which line from today's story did you relate to the most?